Hey, this is Dave Espino. I'm just doing a quick video here about what would you do if you lost everything. I thought I would make this video in a completely empty office space. As you can see here, this office is completely empty. I've got the little GoPro camera right there that takes the long shot, and then I've got the setup over here with the lighting and the tripod and all that. And I wanted to kind of have the effect in a 2-camera shoot of what it would be like if you lost everything. So really what I'm showing is a completely empty office to help depict losing everything. Now, I've actually been in that situation in my life, and let me tell you, it was really horrible. But I survived it, and my family survived it. And it's been an amazing journey coming out of that, and kind of like a phoenix, rising out of the ashes. So in this series, I'm going to be sharing with you all the different things that I would do, the things that I recommend that you do if you find yourself in that situation, or even if you don't, but if you'd like to just optimize your business, maximize your business, and get incredible results. So stay tuned. This is going to be an interesting series, and it's going to be leading up to an incredible launch of a product, a book, and an online summit that asks the question, what would you do if you lost everything? What would you do in your first 30 days? But it asks the question of some really seasoned entrepreneurs, people who've made over $1 million. We call them the 2 Comma Club. And you're going to be learning from some of the top entrepreneurs in the world. These people have sold everything you can imagine, every possible kind of product, every possible kind of service. So you're going to learn from a variety of people, and you're also going to learn from a variety of perspectives and a variety of experiences, but every single one of these people is hyper successful. So you're definitely going to want to learn from them. You're going to want to take advantage of this book and take advantage of the online summit. All right, I'll see you on the next video.